From Pradeep K. Suri, Diary. Designing a database engine based on domain data flow with audits and alerts requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here are the steps involved in designing such a system. 1. Identify the domain data flow. Understand the flow of data within your domain by identifying the sources of data, the processes that manipulate it, and the destinations where it is used. This will help you create a conceptual data model that captures the entities, attributes, and relationships within the domain. 2. Determine audit and alert requirements. Identify the audit and alert requirements for your system. This includes identifying what data needs to be audited, what events trigger alerts, and who needs to be notified. This will help you create a set of business rules that govern how data is handled and processed. 3. Design the database schema. Based on the data flow and audit requirements, create a database schema that captures the entities, attributes, and relationships in your domain. This includes designing tables, views, indexes, and other database objects to support your business rules. 4. Implement control and reverse audits. Implement control and reverse audits to ensure that data is processed correctly and to detect errors or fraud. Control audits can be performed during the data processing to ensure that the business rules are followed. Reverse audits can be performed after the data processing to detect any errors or fraud. 5. Address design weaknesses. Identify and address any design weaknesses in your database schema. This includes addressing issues related to normalization, data redundancy, and data integrity. 6. Integrate organization and external data. Integrate organization and external data into your database engine. This includes identifying the sources of data, creating data integration processes, and ensuring that data is consistent and accurate. 7. Create outputs for operating level and middle level application software engine. Design reports, dashboards, and other data visualization tools to help users analyze and interpret the data. 8. Define database objects. Define database objects such as tables, views, indexes, and stored procedures to support the database schema. 9. Implement a scheduler. Implement a scheduler to automate database tasks such as backups, maintenance, and data loading. 10. Define a database testing procedure. Define a database testing procedure to ensure that the system is working correctly and to detect any issues that may arise. 11. Create. Overall, designing a database engine based on domain data flow with audits and alerts is a complex process that requires careful planning and execution. It's important to involve stakeholders and domain experts throughout the process to ensure that the resulting system meets the needs of the organization. Boardroom presentation about Engine and Management Information System, which is the capability of the database engine. Business Intelligence, BI, reports and graphs from Database Cube. Location, plant, unit-wise sales in crores. For self-growth, study the videos and make your notes and plan. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.